There is no one-size-fits-all approach to safe travel with a motorcycle. However, there are several tried and true things it helps to know before you ride a motorcycle with a passenger. First, give your passenger a helmet, gloves, jacket, and other safety gear. With the right safety gear, you can reduce the risk that your passenger will suffer serious injuries if you are involved in a motorcycle accident. Safety gear can even prevent a wrongful death in a motorcycle accident. You also need to consider your bike's weight distribution before you hop on your motorcycle with a passenger and start riding. You may need to adjust your bike's suspension to make sure that your weight and your passenger's weight are evenly distributed. If you fail to do so, uneven weight distribution can impact your bike's stability and cause it to tip over. Since you can't turn around and talk to a passenger while you're riding your bike, you should also teach your passenger about motorcycle hand signals so you can keep this individual up to date anytime you're about to turn or change lanes. Your motorcycle can go fast, but you should give your passenger plenty of time to adjust to traveling on your bike before getting up to your usual speeds. Instead of starting out on a highway, you may want to bring your passenger to some back roads where there is little traffic. This can help your passenger get used to riding on your bike. You lean into turns when you're riding your motorcycle. Ideally, your passenger will follow your movements and lean with you. You should communicate to your passenger how to lean before you start riding, so they can do so without tipping over your bike. A motorcycle typically has footrests where a passenger can place their feet while they're seated behind you. You can show your passenger where the footrests are and how to use them. You need to be 100% sure that your passenger is good to go before you start your motorcycle. Remember, you want to provide your passenger with a great riding experience and avoid a tip over. Rather than start your bike when your passenger is not completely settled, wait until the individual gives you the all clear prior to beginning your ride. Lastly, it's important to remember that even if you take every precaution, you can still get into an accident with a car. You should explain what your passenger should do following an accident. If an accident happens, your passenger can respond accordingly and protect themselves and anyone else involved in the incident. Ultimately, you want to help your passenger remain safe and comfortable when they are on your motorcycle with you. On the other hand, it can be difficult to avoid an accident with a negligent driver. If you're riding with a passenger and get into a motorcycle accident, you should hire an experienced personal injury lawyer to help you out. If you and your passenger are involved in a motorcycle accident, try to remain calm. At this time, you should get to a safe spot away from traffic. Move to the side of the road or another spot where you and anyone else involved in your accident are away from traffic. Then, call 911. By calling 911, medical personnel and police officers will arrive on the scene to assist anyone in need. The next step after you and your passengers are safe and have received any necessary medical attention is to connect with a personal injury lawyer. You may be able to sue an at-fault driver for any harm you suffer in a motorcycle accident. BDIW Law offers legal help to those involved in motorcycle accidents in Oklahoma. For more information, please get in touch with us today.